Hi guys, today we are gonna learn how to swap our IXT for our Astro Gold. So this is our IXT and this is our Astro Gold. So Astro Gold is important because Astro Gold is what keeps these extra tiles available. So if I run out of Astro Gold, these extra tiles might not be available anymore, and whatever is stake on these extra tiles, once they become unavailable because they run out of Astro Gold, some of the energy or the waste that the facilities, the drones, and the rovers are claiming, I might lose them. So it's important to always have Astro Gold. So I'm just gonna show you how to swap IXT to Astro Gold very quickly. Let's do it. You can go here in the mission control and then look for this blue like logo. So this is the one. So look for this tile. It's blue and it's kind of has like a triangle at the top of the tile and it's blue. So just click on that, right? So click on it and then enter it. Let's go there. And this is where you swap your IXT for Astro Gold. So now let's go to exchange service. Let's go to next, go down, and then enter the amount that you want to swap. So right now I have 4 Astro Gold and I have 8 IXT. So why don't I just swap half of it for now. So I'm gonna swap 4 IXT for 4 Astro Gold. So it's 1:1, 1 IXT equals 1 Astro Gold and 1 Astro Gold equals 1 IXT. So I'm gonna swap 4 IXT for 4 Astro Gold. So there we go. Now we can swap it. Also, you guys can also swap it back. So if you want to swap your Astro Gold to IXT, you can. So over here, it's like the switch button. So if you switch that, it's gonna be like Astro Gold to IXT. But if you want to swap IXT to Astro Gold, you'll want to swap it back if you want to swap it to IXT to Astro Gold. Anyways, I want to swap it to IXT to Astro Gold. So I'm gonna do this. So for IXT, for Astro Gold, I'm gonna swap it. I'm gonna wait. And then I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna confirm it once it allows me. Okay, I have to enter a max. So I did say 4, so I'm gonna enter 4. That's just basically the amount that you're willing to spend, the amount of X that you're willing to swap. So I put 4, I'm willing to swap 4, and I'm gonna approve it. And now we shall wait. And I'm just gonna check on the status on the MetaMask. Oh, and it's confirmed. I'm gonna double check over here. And I'm gonna go here to activity. It says approved. Oh, there's an error. It seems to be there's an error. Hold on. We have enough matic. Sometimes if you don't have enough matic, there could be errors in your transaction. But I don't know. Let's do this again, guys. Let's try this one more time. So 4 IXT, 4 Astro Gold, swap. Okay, rating. Okay, there we go. Confirm. That's me this time. We shall wait. Let me check here. You check on the MetaMask in your activity section, and it should see the status. It says pending, and it's approved. Oh, hold on. Since I have to approve another thing. Okay, I'm just gonna confirm it again. Okay, there we go. So we successfully did it for Astro Gold. Now if we go to our mission control, you can see that now we have 8 Astro Gold. And 4 IXT is deducted from our IXT. So there we go, we have 8 Astro Gold. So that's how you do it. That's how you swap IXT to Astro Gold, and that is it. Okay, bye-bye.